Welcome! In front of me I have Nintendo Switch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to insert the micro SD card into this console. So here I have this micro SD card. It won't work with this console. I mean, we can insert it, but the console will tell us to get the express micro SD card, so like a faster one. This one is apparently too slow. And to insert the micro SD card, you simply pick up your console. On the back of it, let me actually turn off the screen first. Okay, so on the back of the console, you will see there's this stand, and you can lift it up. And be careful though, because it's quite flimsy. I would be scared to break it. Okay, and once you lift the stand, you should see the micro SD port right here. And you can take your micro SD, of course express one, because the normal one won't work. I will show you in a second. And you need to insert it like this. Basically the part with the writing and stuff like that should be facing the tab. You insert it, and then you push it in completely until you hear the click. Once you hear the click, it will lock in, and now we can close the stand. And if you go to the home screen, you will see, I will see the message that this micro SD card is not compatible, so it won't work, but it detected the card, so it is working. And that's how you insert the SD card or micro SD card into this console. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.